Hello there. Well, it's June and it's almost midwinter, and as you can see, it's very wet and windy outside. Down there are some sheep eating the grass. They don't care about this weather, they're very tough creatures. It's a northeasterly breeze, it's very unusual. Out there's the ocean. It's very hard to see because of the heavy rain, the visibility is very poor. But you can see there's intense waves, good for surfing. The only problem is the temperature is only 15 degrees Celsius. The sheep are down there, munching away.